First we are seeing frequently using shortcut keys. F2 for edit active cell, Control W for close workbook, Control O open a workbook, Control S for save a workbook, Control C for copy contents, Control V paste contents, Control Z undo last command, Control Y repeat last command, Control X cut contents, Control B bold contents, Control 9 hide selected rows, Control hide selected columns, Alt N go insert tab, Alt P go to page layout tab, Alt A go to data tab, Alt W go to view tab, enter finish editing, escape for cancel an entry, delete key for remove cell contents, Alt enter for start new line in cell, Control Alt V paste special dialog box, Control D copy above cell contents, Control N move cursor to end to off text, Control minus for delete dialog box. Now we are seeing Microsoft Excel shortcut keys for formulas and macros. Control K insert hyperlinks, Control colon enter current date, Control Shift colon for enter current time, Shift F3 for insert function, Shift F9 calculate active sheet, Alt F11 for open Visual Basic Editor, Alt F8 for create macros. Now we are seeing Microsoft Excel shortcut keys for go to ribbon tab, Alt F for open file page, Alt H for open home tab, Alt N for open insert tab, Alt P for open page layout tab, Alt M for open formula tab, Alt A for open data tab, Alt R for open review tab, Alt W for open view tab. Now we are seeing Microsoft Excel shortcut keys for functions key. F1 for Excel help, F3 for paste name dialog box, F4 for repeat last command, F5 go to dialog box, F7 for spelling dialog box, F9 for calculate open workbooks, F11 for create a chart, F12 for save as dialog box. Okay, so these are the Microsoft Excel shortcut keys which are very important and very necessary to know everyone, and you can use it. If you have any query, any doubt, you can write in our given below comment box. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.